Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to build a stunning coffee shop mobile app UI using Flutter. This beautiful dark themed interface features a location header, search functionality, promotional banner, category filters, and a gorgeous product grid. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional home screen that you can use in your own projects. So let's dive right in. Before we start coding, make sure you have Flutter installed on your machine. For this project, we'll also need some coffee images. I've prepared 5 images, Coffee 1 through Coffee 5 in PNG format. Create an Assets/Images folder in your project root and add these images there. Don't forget to declare them in your pubspec.yaml file under the Flutter Assets section. Let's start by creating our main application. First, we'll create a stateless widget called Coffee Shop App. In the build method, we return a material app with a dark theme. Notice we're using a custom background color for that sleek, dark look. We're also setting the font family to Sora for a modern, clean typography. Make sure you have the Sora font added to your project. Finally, we set our home to Coffee Home Screen, which we'll build next. Now let's create our Coffee Home Screen as a stateful widget, since we need to manage the selected category state. We'll define 2 main lists here. Our categories array with all coffee, macchiato, latte, and Americano, and our coffee items list with details like name, subtitle, price, rating, and image path. We're also tracking the selected category index, which starts at 0. Let's build the header section. We start with a padding widget with 20 pixels on all sides. Inside, we have a column with cross-axis alignment.start. First, we display location in gray text, size 14. Below that, we show Muar, Johor in white, size 18, with a drop-down arrow icon. This gives users the feeling they can change their location. Next comes our search bar. We use a row with an expanded container for the search field and a fixed-width filter button. The search field has a dark gray background with rounded corners of 16 pixels. Inside, we place a search icon and placeholder text. The filter button uses our brand color, with a tune icon for filters. Moving on to the promotional banner. This is a 150 pixel tall container with rounded corners. We're using a stack to layer multiple elements. First, we set the background image using asset image pointing to our coffee5.png. On top of that, we add a gradient overlay from black with 30% opacity to transparent, creating that professional look. Inside the stack, we have a padding with our promo content. The can promo badge is a small container with red background and white text. Below that, we display our offer, buy one, get one free, in large, bold white text with size 32. The height property of 1.1 keeps the line spacing tight. Now for the category filter tabs, we use a sized box with height 40 containing a horizontal list view .builder. For each category, we create a gesture detector that updates our selected category index when tapped. The container for each tab has conditional styling. If it's selected, it gets our brand color background, otherwise it's transparent. The text also changes color, white when selected, gray when not. We also adjust the font weight to 600 for selected tabs and 400 for unselected. This gives users clear visual feedback about which category they're viewing. The main content is our coffee grid. We wrap a grid view .builder in an expanded widget so it takes up all remaining space. The sliver grid delegate with fixed cross-axis count creates a 2-column grid with 16 pixels spacing between items. For each coffee item, we create a coffee card widget, passing in the name, subtitle, price, rating, and image path from our coffee items list. This keeps our code clean and reusable. Let's build the coffee card widget. This is a stateless widget that takes all the coffee properties as required parameters. The card is a container with dark gray background and 20-pixel rounded corners. Inside, we have a column with minimum size. First comes the image section using a stack. We use clip-rect to round only the top corners and display our coffee image at 140 pixels height with cover fit. In case the image fails to load, we show a gray coffee icon as a fallback. Positioned at the top right, we overlay a rating badge with a semi-transparent black background. It shows a yellow star icon and the rating number in white text. Below the image, we have an expanded section with padding containing another column. This displays the coffee name in white, size 16 and bold, followed by the subtitle in gray, size 12. At the bottom, we have a row with space between alignment showing the price on the left in large, bold, white text, and an Add button on the right. A 36 by 36 pixel container with our brand color and a white plus icon. Finally, let's add the bottom navigation bar. We wrap the bottom navigation bar in a container with a subtle shadow effect for depth. The navigation bar itself has transparent background, no elevation, and uses the fixed type so all items are always visible. We define 4 navigation items: Home, Favorite, Cart, and Notifications. The selected item color is set to our brand color, while unselected items are gray. We hide the labels since the icons are self-explanatory. And there you have it, a beautiful, modern coffee shop home screen entirely in Flutter. This design is responsive, uses proper state management, and follows Flutter best practices. You can easily customize the colors, add more coffee items, or implement actual functionality for the search and filter features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Flutter content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. The complete source code is available in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!